11 in your corner at 5.
The man accused of kidnapping his niece, sparking an Amber Alert through multiple states, had his case bound over to a grand jury today. You're watching News Channel 11 at 5. I'm Sarah Diamond.
I'm Josh Smith. It was back in May. Gary Simpson, according to investigators, kidnapped his 9-year-old niece, Carly Trent. They said he took her out of school under false pretenses, saying her father had been in a car wreck, and that sparked a manhunt that lasted 8 days. Simpson and Trent were eventually found on a piece of property near the Clinch Mountains. People who heard about Carly's disappearance went looking for her. Well, here's video of Simpson during his arraignment May 23rd. At that hearing, his public defender asked the judge to accept the request for a mental evaluation to be done on Simpson, and the judge said yes to that. Simpson also was ordered not to have contact with Carly Trent or her immediate family members.
News Channel 11's Allie Hines has been in the courtroom today for the preliminary hearing for Simpson. She joins us now live from Hawkins County with a recap of the hearing. Hi, Allie.
Today in this courthouse here in Rogersville, Gary Simpson listened as a TBI agent took the stand and read back to Simpson and the rest of the courtroom a statement TBI says Simpson gave shortly after his arrest. Simpson is charged with especially aggravated kidnapping of 9-year-old Carly Trent. According to the statement TBI read, Simpson, Carly's uncle, thought she was being treated unfairly by her dad. He also said he was stressed about all he had to do for his family.
I had decided about 3 or 4 days before I took Carly that I was going to do it. My plan was to take her to a friend of mine's house next to Roanoke, Virginia. I met him in the Marine Corps a long time ago. I was going to ask his wife to homeschool Carly, and I was going to find a job.
According to the statement, Simpson picked Carly up from school that day and lied to her that her dad had been in a wreck. They then went to the store for supplies and drove on back roads until parking in a pasture. According to the TBI statement, the van stayed there until Simpson was found and arrested. The statement said that he and Carly would go on hikes every day, but otherwise wouldn't leave that area. TBI also mentioned they tried to track Simpson's phone, and in the statement TBI read, it said that Simpson had 2 phones. He lost one, it said, and he tried to break the other one, or did break the other one, with a rock after it wouldn't work. Ultimately, like you guys said, the case was bound over to grand jury. Simpson took the stand right after the judge's decision to bind it over, and he basically asked the judge to lessen his $1 million bond, but the judge denied that request. I'll have more on what Simpson said when he took the stand coming up tonight at 6. For now, reporting live in Rogersville, Allie Hines, News Channel 11 in your corner.
And we told you Simpson was ordered to undergo a mental evaluation at a hearing earlier this year. Those results have been returned but will not be released due to privacy laws. Gary Simpson is scheduled to be back in court December 9th.